This is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the stock clearance sale collection on the skirts which I'll be showing. Booking number is 9711152266. So as festival seasons are there and wedding seasons are also there, so in that you can wear like a cocktail party, anything you can use those skirts. And these skirts you can be worn in winter also if you wear stockings and without stockings. So these are always all season skirts which you can use for. So let us start off, as it is a sale video. So per piece is $3.99 free shipping, and if you book 2 pieces or more than 2 pieces you get additional 50 discount. It is just to clear the stock I am giving it at this rate. And please do like and subscribe my video. So let's start off with the beautiful collections. So here comes the first piece. Here comes the first piece, and I'll be showing you the one by one. So this one is a very beautiful skirt. You can see, I'll show you the print from near. Okay, and this one, the waistline, so all will be having elastic. If anyone is without the elastic, will let you know. So this one, the waist which will fit 30 say 36. 30 say 36, okay, 30 say 36, 38, 30 say 38, okay, 30 say 38 can, 36 can go, okay, 30 say 36 can go for this one. You can just take the screenshot. सारे बहुत अच्छे soft pieces है, just clearing the stock. I am giving it at this rate. Next showing, एक मिनट में देखा नहीं. Next showing this beautiful skirt again, and this is of length 28. This is of length 28, and this one is of size. This one is of size 30 to 40. This one is of size 30 to 40. This one is of size 30 to 40. It comes with the belt like the same one which is there attached, 30 to 40. Okay, 30 to 40. You can go for this, a beautiful piece. Next showing this again, a long skirt. This one is of size, length is 40. Length is 40, and the waist is, see, it's for skirts. You can always alter the waist, okay? So if it is loose, you can just alter it from both ends or one end. And if it tight, it should not be tight because it is elastic. And this one is of size 30, 38, 36, 38 till 44. 36, 38 till 44. 36, 38 till 44. This one is a long skirt. It is a very, very pretty one in satin. In satin, you can grab it for. Next, showing this beautiful piece again. This one is in 31 length. 31 length. 31 length. And ये सब stock clearance sale में है. So price is $3.99 free shipping. And if you book 2 pieces, you get additional 50 off. It is just to clear the stock. I am giving it at this rate. 30 to 34. 30 to 34, a beautiful skirt, 30 to 34. These all skirts I have worn and shown before. It is just now I'm clearing the stock. Next showing this pretty long skirt. This is also a beautiful one, and it comes, this is also a beautiful one, and this one it's in floral. You can see it's a beautiful skirt. And this one is of size, this one is of size 32 to 46. This one is of size 32 to 46. 32 to 46. A beautiful piece. इसका क्या labeling लगाई हुआ है? हाँ, ये labeling हटाना पड़ेगा. Next showing this skirt. This one is of length 30. Length 30. And this one is a pretty one. You can see it's a beautiful satin skirt. And this one is of length. This one is of length. Size is 30 say 40. 30 say 40. 30 say 40. And always skirts you wear little upper. Okay, 30 say 40. You can go for this. It's a beautiful skirt. Next one, it comes with the plating type, and this one is of length 41. This one is of length 41. Okay, this one is of length 41. Plated type mein hai. And the waist is 40 say 44. Waist is 40 say 44. Waist you can always alter. If it is loose, you can tighten it. If you like the please grab the pieces. सारे अच्छे pieces है. Next one is a premium satin. Waist is 28. Waist is length is 28, and waist is, this is not elastic. So I'll tell you the exact size. I think so. It is 32 to 34. Let's see. I'll tell you the exact size. यस 32. ओके, एग्जैक्ट साइज 32. ये बहुत प्यारा पीस है, वेरी प्रीमियम वन. ओके, वेरी प्रीमियम सैटिन में रहेगा. It's a beautiful piece. It comes with the pocket also. Okay, it comes with the pocket also. Next showing 38 length, 38 length skirt, 38 length skirt, 38 length skirt. It comes in georgette, and this one is of size waist 32 say 40, 32 say 40. It comes with the belt like this. 32 से 40, 32 से 40, little wraparound style पे रहेगा ये, ठीक है. 32 से 40. Next is length is 29, length is 29. This is an animal print, and it also comes with the attached belt like this. Comes in georgette fabric, and this one is of size 30 से 40. 30 से 40 को जाएगा, ठीक है. 30 से 40 को जाएगा. A beautiful skirt. You can wear this type of skirts with boots and all also. Next is length 34, length 34, length 34. ठीक है. This is a little bit on a straight line. It comes with the button, and from here it is split. So this one is of size. This one is of size 32 से 42. 32 से 42. A beautiful skirt, very different pattern. 32 से 42. Next showing this lovely skirt in 43 length. 43 length. It looks like a wraparound style में रहेगा ये, ठीक है. Wraparound style में रहेगा. And this one is of size. ये medium large को जाएगा. Small, medium, large. Which I remember. Small, medium, large को जाएगा. तीनों साइजेस में जाएंगे. एंड द वेस्ट विच विल फिट, बिकॉज इट इज स्ट्रेट, दैट इज द रीजन आई एम मेंशनिंग स्मॉल मीडियम लार्ज. ओके, वेस्ट आपका 30 से 34 रखेंगे. एंड इट्स अ स्ट्रेट. इट कम्स विद द बेल्ट लाइक दिस. बहुत ही प्यारा सा स्मार्ट सा पीस है. नेक्स्ट शोइंग दिस 32 लेंथ स्कर्ट. 32 लेंथ स्कर्ट, ये देखिए 32 लेंथ में रहेगा. इन जॉर्जेट, कम्स विद द बेल्ट एंड लाइनिंग एंड ऑल, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. नो स्कर्ट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट, so not to worry about the transparency. And this one is of size 32 से 42. This one is of size 32 से 42. बहुत प्यारा prints है and very uncommon. Next showing a beautiful green color. A beautiful green color is coming. This one is of length 43. This one is of length 43. बहुत ही सुंदर सा green color है, ठीक है. Length 43. And this one, the waist which will fit आपका 34 से 44. 34 से 44. A beautiful skirt with the belt. Okay, beautiful skirt with the belt. 34 से 44. Next showing a beautiful skirt in 33 length. 33 length. Super soft. बहुत ही smart piece है. ये सब आप ऑफिस पे भी डाल सकते हो. 33 length. And this one is of size. This one is of size 28 से 36. 28 से 36 can go. Okay, it is in soft net with lining. Okay, soft net with lining. Next showing a beautiful skirt in 28 length. 28 length. Look at this. It's a very pretty one with a lovely color combination in floral. And this one is of size waist 30 से 36. 30 से 36. A beautiful skirt in 30 से 36. ये गया नहीं? ये तो बड़ा अच्छा पीस है. 30 से 36. हाँ, ये अच्छा पीस है. मुझे लगा था चला गया. Next showing this beautiful skirt again, and it comes with the belt like this. इसका लेंथ कितना था? लेंथ चेक नहीं क्या? ये उसी की तरह है. Next showing this skirt, and this one is of size 28 से ये आपका जाएगा 38. 28 से 38. And this one is of length 29. This one is of length 29. It comes with the belt. So आप waist हमेशा आप adjust कर सकते हैं. Length भी आप adjust कर सकते हैं. Next ये plus size का एक पैंट आ गया है. मुझे लगा था ये चला गया. ये plus size का बहुत ही प्यारा पैंट है. And this one is of waistline. This one is of waistline हो गया. This one is of waistline 36 से 46. 36 से 46. Cotton में है with pockets, and it's a very very smart pant. Okay, very very smart pant. So these were the collections on the stock clearance sale. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.